The number of new COVID-19 cases in the nation hovered around the 50 mark for 3 straight days. Still, South Korea is ramping up efforts to prevent a possible second wave of infections. Kyung-eun turns the spotlight to some of these hardline measures, including visa waiver ban expansion and temporary shutdown of all late-night entertainment businesses.
South Korea has reported 53 new cases of COVID-19 on Wednesday, marking the third straight day the figure has stayed around the 50 mark.
Keeping the number of newly confirmed cases at around 50 is regarded as a positive sign.
But the government said it is too early for the nation to let its guard down in case of any potential group infections from what have been categorized as high-risk communities like nursing hospitals and religious groups.
Those are places that have many elderly people, those with respiratory problems, or have an enclosed environment that raises the risk of group contagion.
To prevent a second wave of infections, the government will impose a stricter quarantine policy starting Saturday. Places deemed to be of high risk will be required to designate a quarantine manager who will be in charge of checking people's temperatures for any respiratory problems, keeping a list of visitors, and sending any suspected patients home. And for places that have emerged as a new source of concern, like nightclubs, the country will crack down on those who do not follow the government's disinfectant and hygiene guidelines. But Seoul City has taken a step further, announcing a total shutdown of such establishments on Wednesday.
Late-night entertainment establishments like hostess bars, nightclubs, and discos will be banned from operating throughout the intense social distancing period that ends on the 19th.
This comes as a cluster transmissions broke out in an establishment in the city's Gangnam-gu district. In addition, to stem the number of imported cases, South Korea on Wednesday has taken reciprocal measures and declared a temporary visa waiver ban on countries that have imposed travel restrictions on South Korea. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.